Hey my friends, we're getting ready to make some paper koi fish sculptures out of only paper, glue, and scissors. And a writing utensil to put your name on your project, because we always do that in this class. So the first thing I need to show you is how to make a perfect square out of a rectangle piece of paper. You will fold one corner down to kind of make a triangle. Now, the best way to do it is to fold first and line up the edges of your paper, then take your hand and smooth down the crease. Once you've got that, take your writing utensil and trace the line that you've created on the bottom there. That way you can cut off the excess paper. Don't let it go too far though, because we're gonna use it in the end. Next, align the crease in your square up and down on your table. You're gonna fold the right side of your paper in, kind of like you're starting to fold a paper airplane, but that is not what we are doing here today. So it lines up with the center crease line that you created before. Make your fold and then repeat on the other side. Now, it is always okay if your artwork is not perfectly lined up, but really do your best here, because the straighter you get your folds in the beginning of this project, the easier the rest of it will be. Then from here, unfold the whole thing and fold along your original crease line one last time. Now you can take your writing utensil and draw a line, just kind of like a visual reminder for you on the new crease lines that you just folded. And then you are gonna mark off a space. This is gonna be for the head of your fish. It might seem a little bit confusing now, but when it all comes together, it will make a little bit more sense. Grab for your scissors and cut right on that fold till you almost get to the edge, but do not cut off the entire triangle here. Now, for the rest of the cuts, you can cut right up to that brown line. And you can even cut just the tiniest little bit further. These cuts are what is going to allow your fish to be able to wiggle. Then set your scissors aside. You have two uncut parts of your fish. You're gonna fold those back down again, and those folds are gonna overlap on top of one another and become the bottom part of your fish. Go across your fish and make sure each little cut is bendable. If it's not, you can take your scissors back and kind of recut those areas. And when you know the whole fish is flexible, then you can start your gluing process. Really, any kind of glue will work for this. I just happen to be using glue with a paintbrush from a container. You can use a glue stick or a glue bottle. Anything works for this project. So pick one of the parts of the bottom of your fish and apply glue all over it. Squeeze the two pieces together. This is a good opportunity to write your name on your project. And then you have the base of your fish made. Now, I said that extra scrap of paper will come in handy. We're gonna use it for tail fin extras. We can use it for fins for the side of your fish. You could even use it for a piece for the bottom of your fish's mouth. That extra piece is for you to create whatever you like to on your paper koi fish. And now for a final touch. If you would like to, you do not have to do this. You can leave the head of your fish pointy. I would like to round mine out, so I'm gonna do that with my scissors. And then after that, and my friends, that is about all there is to making a paper koi fish sculpture. I cannot wait to see how yours turn out.